Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to make Chrome default browser on Windows 11. Like and subscribe, support the channel, let's get started. If you make Chrome your default browser, the links or PDF files you click on will automatically open in Chrome whenever possible. So, since we are working in Windows 11, we click on the Start menu icon, select Settings, then Applications, Default Applications. In the search menu, enter Chrome, select it, and hit Set Default next to make Google Chrome your default browser. And if you need your browser to open PDF files as well, don't forget to add it to this menu. Exit the settings, and now Google Chrome has become the default browser on your PC. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.